This dog is simply adorable. You will see in this video how he likes to help with household chores. He cannot see his master's house unattended and do nothing. He puts everything he sees on the floor in the right place. He had to learn to do it from a early age. Who wouldn't love to have such a nice dog? It even helps to get laundry out of the washing machine. They make a very good team. This dog is truly an excellent friend. There, he plays the role of the sport coach. When his master comes home with a shopping, he can always count on his dog to help him unload his truck. I know seeing him makes you want to adopt a dog too. He's so adorable. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Feel free to share it with your friends. On this, see you very soon for a new video. Goodbye.